welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a couple of things that I picked up at the spring Sephora VIB sale for 2022. If you guys want to see what I picked up, stay tuned. All the items and the links will be listed in the description box below. I picked up the NARS Soft Matte Primer. I also picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Mist. I usually use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, but I wanted to try this out. I'm wearing it today and my makeup hasn't went nowhere. Like, I got it in a $20 version because the big version was sold out. Next thing I picked up that I wanted to try out is the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I got the small one because I've never used Smashbox primers before, so I wanted to try it out. So the next thing I picked up, I just picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless, damn, what did it say? The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder. Anyways, I have it already in this one. I just bought a travel size because I know summer is coming up. If you travel, you will need to have little small sizes because you don't want this to break while you're traveling. But it's the same shade as that one. It is the shade 4 Deep. Another thing that I had wanted to try, so I picked up, was the Sephora. This is the Sephora eyeliner. I don't know. It's a Sephora eyeliner. I wanted to try it out because all I use are felt tip liners, and I wanted to try the kind with the brush just to see if maybe I prefer that one over the felt tip liners now. And Sephora collection was 30% off, I believe. The next thing I picked up was a NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I got it in shade Medium Dark 3 Amande, and I just got the small version. I am also wearing this today, and I threw away the box somehow. So now I have the NARS Light Reflecting Pressed Setting Powder, and this is going to be in the shade Mesa. On Sephora website, they had a chart where if your foundation shade landed within a certain range, then they had the powder listed for your foundation color, and this was the one that matched me. I love their packaging. It's leather on one side and it's a sponge on the other. So this is another thing that I have on my face today. So I did use this powder to set my whole entire face, and this powder is amazing. I don't know, I haven't heard anybody use the pressed powder. I didn't even know that this powder was out or that they even made another powder, because I remember seeing the white one, but I never got it. I don't know when they added shades to it, but this right here is a perfect powder. Get it. Okay, so the next thing I have is the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder, and this is in 60 Ebony. Another thing that I picked up, this is a fragrance, and this is the 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods. Vanilla Woods by Seven Virtues smells like it has a real vanilla scent to it. So if you really like vanilla, you will like this. Okay, and then the last thing I have is the Boom Dia Bright Cream by Sol de Janeiro. I didn't get a chance to try out the new one, but this one right here is my favorite. I love this one, so this one smells so pretty. Another thing that I picked up was the Super Clay Pure and Clear Power Mask by You to the People. I used a little bit of this because when it came, because I couldn't wait. I was out of it for a long time, so I couldn't wait to re-up. So that's everything that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Everything will be listed in the description box below. In the comment section below, let me know what you guys picked up during the sale, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love ya. Bye.